Hi everyone, this week I wanted to tell you about a new feature we have to search for symbols. Now at the moment you can search within the software from the security selection window. You can type a name or ticker symbol in the search box and that will give all the results just for the exchanges that you have access to on your account. But let's say you wanted to know if we had it elsewhere in another database. So if we go to the Optuma.com website, under the resources menu, you'll see all these things that we have available, but now we've just added symbol search. And this will allow you to type any name, symbol, even what's called an ISIN or FIGI. They're other unique identifiers used by global exchanges. So let's, for example, let's say we want to look at copper. So I just type copper in there. And that's now going to search all our databases to come up to display the results for everything that has copper in its name. So at the top, the most popular result is the futures in the US commodities, followed by the copper index in world indices. So it also gives you the date of the date range of the data. So the futures start in 1986 and go up to date. Whereas the copper index started in 1990. So take a look at that. Let us know what you think. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.